Oh, there's water in there.
Oh, that's because she cleaned it. She rinsed it out for us.
So this year, we're going to do better to tell our members about what it means to bank at a credit union. And it's not just about saving yourself money, which is, I think, the story that many people tell in why it's better to bank at a credit union. Because you do save money by being a member of a credit union.
Everybody knows that.
You got it.
Yeah.
We know it. So what impact does being a member of a credit union have on you, on your community, on your neighbors? And the answer is a lot. It's big. So we're spending the year talking about how you, being a member of a credit union and a cooperative, so you're an owner of this financial institution, what impact are you having directly on the credit union? And so the campaign this year is hashtag you did that, because you actually did that. You're the owner. So
that's right.
Good job.
This is our impact report. It's beautiful.
A report.
Yes. Yes, so we are able to look at this and see all the amazing things that because of you, we were able to achieve.
There's a lot of really impactful stories in this report that will tell you about how a financial institution can treat and approach and care about a community in a way that's really impactful. But there's also some really interesting statistics about the effects of our financial literacy programs, but more importantly, the deployment of products and services. An example of that would be the College Kids program.
Yeah, College Kids program. We are providing more than 13?
Almost 13,000.
Almost 13.
Yeah.
More than 12, for sure.
More than 12,000.
Almost 13,000 accounts specifically designed for kiddos who have a dream one day to go to college.
So every student who enters the St. Louis Public School District gets an account. And the treasurer of the city of St. Louis funds those accounts for them to get them started. So because of that, they've set aside between their own deposits and the incentives that they've earned for good attendance and for matching funds, they've earned over $700,000 set aside for higher education. Another one that we focus on a lot is youth job training programs. So making sure that the youth in our community are not just working, which we know is so important in the safety and health of a community, is that our youth are working and active in their community. But also the other piece of that is making sure that they're
managing their money and banked. About 95% of all of the youth that were participating in the summer jobs program did not have access to direct deposit. Right. So they have very little in the way of resources in how they're going to manage their money. They're learning how to be financially stable, not just having a job. You did that.
We would not be able to do that if we were not part of a cooperative that really was focused on community development. So we focus all of our community development work. So all of our nonprofit giving and our volunteer work, we focus that into three key areas: job training,
education,
and sustainable housing. So that allows us to really get hyper-focused on some of the most impactful and the things that will really help people in our community meet long-term financial goals. So
sustainable.
Right.
Yeah.
So through that, we last year we gave 500 hours of volunteer time from our employees, which we only have 100 employees. So that's a huge number. Every employee in the organization is given 8 hours of paid volunteer time. You paid for that.
That's right.
You invested in your checking accounts and your loans, and you helped us do that. So 500 hours were donated into the community because you allowed us to do that and you invested in that. As well, we also have given well over $50,000 to nonprofits over the last few years who are focused on job training, education, and sustainable housing. So it's really impactful. And that's directly from you. So that is what hashtag you did that means. You're going to hear that a lot throughout the year. We're going to paste that on everything. And that is because we just want you to know that you are doing good work. And without maybe even knowing it. We have a lot of stuff in the future planned that we think you'll be excited about.
We're excited.
But we're just laying the groundwork. This is the stuff that we've been working on for the last 4 years, and we're excited to share it. So in closing, great job.
You did that.
You did that.
You did that.
You did that too.
You did it.